Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. As always, I'm applying 2 layers of my favorite peel-off base coat on my natural nails, letting each coat to dry before applying another. Then I'm applying 2 coats of white nail polish. Then I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails because I'm doing the ombre next. So I'm applying 2 shades of purple and 2 shades of pink onto a cosmetic sponge. Then I'm dabbing it onto my nail. As always, repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. After all of that, do the cleanup. Then let's seal it in with a thick coat of glossy top coat. Then for the clouds design, I'm using a white acrylic paint, a nail art brush, foil, or you can use any disposable plastics, and water. So add a small amount of white acrylic paint on... Oh, oops. Let's do that again. So add a small amount of white acrylic paint on the foil or plastic. Then add drops of water. Make sure that the water is much more than the acrylic paint. With more water, the paint will have that translucent effect on your nail. Then mix them together. Now paint some cloud-like shapes. Let it to completely dry, then apply top coat. And there you guys have it. I hope you find this tutorial easy to do, and I can't wait to see your recreations. So don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you're going to recreate this look. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!